Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a topic that sparks wanderlust and financial freedom: early retirement through real estate investing. Let's be honest, traditional retirement plans can feel restrictive. But with the right strategy, like investing in real estate, that dream beach vacation sipping margaritas might be closer than you think. Real estate offers unique advantages compared to traditional plans. Passive income. Imagine rent checks flowing in even while you're exploring ancient ruins or hiking majestic mountains. That's the beauty of passive income from rental properties. Appreciation. Over time, property values tend to rise, quietly building your wealth even while you're busy living life to the fullest. Tax benefits. Real estate offers various tax deductions and shelters, putting more money back in your pocket for those early retirement adventures. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks, you can see, touch, and control your investment. It's a sense of security and a foundation for your future. Now I hear you thinking, isn't real estate expensive and risky? It can be, but with careful planning, strategic investing, and the right guidance, you can mitigate those risks and unlock incredible returns. This video won't delve into every detail. We have dedicated videos for that, but let's paint a clear picture. Here are some key steps to get you started on your early retirement journey through real estate. Define your why. How early do you envision retiring? What lifestyle do you dream of? Having a clear vision fuels your motivation and guides your investment decisions. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself on different property types: single-family homes, multi-unit buildings, commercial spaces, investment strategies, buy and hold, fix and flip, and market trends. Knowledge empowers you to make informed choices. Network like a pro. Connect with real estate agents, investors, and mentors. Their experience and insights are invaluable throughout your journey. Start small, dream big. Begin with a manageable property like a duplex or a small single-family home. This allows you to gain experience and build your confidence before scaling up. Patience is key. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Real estate investing requires dedication, smart decisions, and a long-term perspective. But there's more. Let's explore some specific strategies to consider. House hacking. Live in one unit of a multi-unit property while renting out the others, generating income and offsetting your living expenses. BRRRR. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Purchase a fixer-upper, renovate it to increase its value, rent it out, refinance to pull out your initial investment, and repeat the process with another property. Investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Invest in a pool of real estate through REITs, offering diversification and professional management without the direct hassles of property ownership. Remember, this is just the beginning of your exciting real estate adventure. Dive deeper into research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experts. There are countless resources available, from online courses and communities to experienced professionals. With the right approach, real estate investing can pave the way for your early retirement dreams. If you're ready to unlock the potential of real estate investing for early retirement, smash that like button and subscribe for more content on achieving financial freedom and living your best life. And leave a comment below. What excites you most about real estate investing, or what questions do you have? Let's build a community of early retirement enthusiasts together.